Hello, it's me again. I'm gonna do a muffler change on a '91 Mustang. I'll try to get some videos next time I work on it because I did a rack and pinion on it, and so you guys bear with me. I want to show you what kind of mufflers we're probably gonna put on the car. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it, so I'll show you the mufflers right now on the rack and pinion. So here we go. Well, there's the rack and pinion that came off it. It was a bitch to get out. And this rod, well, the other rack and pinion that we used was off a '92 Mustang. This is what we got. It was leaking out this one, I believe. Maybe that one, I'm not sure. Watch when I turn it. I'm probably gonna get dirty because of it. What? Look at that come out. Oh. Yep. Yeah, told you. I'll show you the glass pouch we want to put on it. Well, we're not putting these ones on it. We're probably going to put some like that. Either that or we're going to run the car straight pipe. These are Smithy's. Oldest glass pack I ever known. Let me get a better view of that. Is he out? This is the end. Not sure. This is inlet. This is outlet. Sorry about the shaking. But that, I don't know what that would sound like. If you guys tell me what your YouTube video is, and maybe I would know what these mufflers would sound like. Maybe glass packs too, possibly cherry bombs. But I don't know about these mufflers. I have Flowmasters I'm going to put on my car. So, that'd be cool if you guys can just tell me what your YouTube video is. Or your channel, possibly. And I'll just look it up and see what glass packs sound like on a Mustang. A '91. I'll get a video next time with it running without the mufflers on. From the cats, the two rear cats. So, that's my car right here, the update on it. Which I did. Was the motor. I put the motor back in it. Shit. Yeah, well that. Well, you guys can't really see it, so. Too dark. But yeah. My rims and stuff. You know, that car's for sale, by the way. $2,800. Albuquerque, New Mexico. You could reach me at 1-972-655-4772 if you have any questions or answers about it. Welcome to answer them. So please subscribe and comment on this video and help me out and tell me what it would sound like with glass packs and a Mustang. So, peace out. I'll talk to you all later. Bye.